What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So it does look like the AirPods 2 are announced and they're slightly disappointing. We didn't get any new colors or anything like that. So let's go ahead and run down what was actually new. So it does have improved battery life. It does come with optional wireless charging, and you do get the Siri's hands-free option, and you'll be able to say "Hey Siri" and activate it like that. It does come at a $200 price point, which is pretty expensive for some wireless headphones. So you do have the new H1 chip, which supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is supposed to be more power efficient. The talk time rating has gone up by 50%. That's an extra hour than before. So overall, I'm not too impressed. I was hoping to see maybe a new design and definitely some new colors with this guy. So you do get the wireless charging case for $80. You get the AirPods with the standard charging with the wired charging for $160, and then you get the AirPods with the wireless charging case for $200. A little pricey, but what do you guys think? Are you an AirPod owner? Are you gonna upgrade? Be sure to let me know. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.